Thank you.
Lite Worlds of Wonder. We are so excited and thankful for all of you being here. Now you're going to head into 3 separate worlds, a dino world, an ocean world, and a future world. All of these worlds have their own playable games and QR codes as well, so make sure to most importantly, have fun.
Before HD screens or pixels, before the internet or cat memes, before smartphones or push notifications, a time when all you needed was a 7-watt light bulb and a ton of colored pens. You see, when you're a kid, you don't need much to be creative. After all, imagination is part of life. From every spark of childlike wonder, endless possibilities would flow. Punching peg after peg through crisp black cardboard.
There it is! Isn't it beautiful? Well, look at it go! Illuminarium has partnered with Hasbro to bring us Brite Worlds of Wonder.
Take a moment to find your spark and turn on the magic of colored lights.